Well, don't you want to find the answer to why I am suffering? If you want to find the answer to why I'm suffering, then you have to find the solution. No, the solution is self-inquiry. If you don't want to find the answer to why I'm suffering, then there's no need to do Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana. Simple. If there is a question, you want to find the answer. Right? If there is no question, then there is no need to find the answer. So you ask yourself, is there a question? You don't have to announce it in public with everybody. Do I really need to find the answer to why am I suffering? Why is there dukkha in my life? Why is there suffering? If I don't need to find the answer, then you don't need any jnana. You're good, already enlightened. Yeah? So, personal contemplation time. There is only one cause for suffering. The misunderstanding that I am the body-mind personality. This is the only cause for suffering. There is no other cause. You're not going to find anything else. If you blame, she is the cause of my suffering, he is the cause of my suffering, that person is the cause, this thing is the cause, my finances are the cause, you're looking in the wrong direction. You're trying to separate out objects. You're forever going to be stuck. One object you will rectify, the next object will give dukkha. You will rectify that object, the next one will give dukkha. And that's how you've been leading your life, no? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 years. You've been focusing on objects and it didn't work. At this age, you're still sitting in an Advaita class. What does it mean? Wasted time. Wasted time focusing on objects and trying to rectify objects. Maybe I was doing something wrong. Maybe I was looking in the wrong direction. Can I look in the right direction? Instead of focusing on the object, can I focus on the subject? Maybe I can get rid of this suffering. So if there is the question of why is there suffering, then you will have to look for the answer in the right direction, no? That is why Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana. Clear?